Yes, this move by RBI can impact the rupee as well as the stock market. RBI has ordered other banks to reduce their dollar positions. Right now, many banks are holding huge amount of dollars, but now they can only hold up to $100 million and they must cut this by April 10th. Now, why does this matter and how does this matter? When banks hold too many dollars, it puts pressure on the rupee and increases volatility. So RBI is trying to stabilize the currency. This can affect forex market, banking stocks and even FII inflows. Less dollar exposure is equals to more control on rupee movement. So is this a smart move or a hidden warning? Comment your view, but before that, let's understand the other positive impacts. Lower lending rates. Our lending rates will be cheaper. Export promotion will occur. Exports will be highlighted by government and banks. Imports will be cheaper. If you want to learn about this topic in brief, go through the chapter International Trade in class 12 economics book. Okay.